This is a really short tutorial video to help anybody who needs to change row height for an entire sheet in Excel. You're simply going to go ahead and click the Select All button. It's this little area between the A and the 1. Then you can right-click any row number, choose Row Height, type in any value. You can see the default right now is 14.3. It's really just about estimating. So I'm going to try, say, 25. That's going to be pretty close to double what it is now. Click OK. There's my new row height for the entire sheet. If I don't like it, I can click Undo, or I can simply right-click again on the numbers, go back to row height, choose either a bigger or smaller number, whatever I want to try. If I go up to 50, click OK, you'll see the rows are rather tall. You can also do the same for column width if you needed to for the entire sheet. Not necessarily recommended. Row height a little more recommended, but same idea. You can right-click column letters. You can choose column width. You can make all the columns a certain width. So guess, again, once again, a value that you want to use. Click OK. You'll see each column is a certain width. So that's all it takes to do it. Remember, undo is always your best friend. So if you don't like changes, you can always just undo them. Yeah, I'm clicking here to get all the way back to the very beginning. So good luck. Hope this helps. Thanks.